My name is Peter Coxon. I live in Kamloops. I've been here for over 30 years. Well, I actually have a bit of an experience with solar. Not here, because these panels are only a few days old. But 20 years ago, I got Riverside to put some solar in at our cabin on the Shishwa, where we're completely off-grid. So that was panels, inverters, batteries. And that has been a very good experience. And so when the opportunity came up to put solar here in town, it was natural that I just go with Riverside. Riverside was great, right from the beginning, where they came in, did a quote, they flew the drone to check the angle of the roof. They then went back, did some engineering, came back, refined the quote, refined the design. Then they helped with the grant application, signing of the contract, and then, all the way through. It's been a sort of a hand-holding process, but it's been professional, it's been great. And the install day itself was amazing. They arrived at 8 o'clock, 3 vans were here, a whole lot of people. By 1:30 it was done. Seamless, pain-free, and by 1:30 I was generating kilowatt hours. And no mess, so can't complain about that. I recommend Riverside because 2 reasons. One, I think you guys are professional. And 2, I have a long history with you, 20 years. I've had to do a bit of an upgrade out at the lake, so that was partway through that 20-year period, and that went seamlessly as well. So I have more experience than others, you could say, in 2 types of install, one here in the city and one in the lake, and both have been amazing, so I wouldn't go anywhere else. One of the questions people often ask is, why go solar, which is meant to be green in BC, because we all are already green, and that's correct. 92 or 93% of our power in this province is generated by green energy, hydro. One of the things I'm concerned about are future cost increases. We had a cost increase this year, 3.75% in BC Hydro. And so what solar does is it basically locks you in for the next 20 or 30 years at a rate that is determined. I now know what my rate's going to be for the next 30 years. So whatever BC Hydro does, I feel sorry for other people, but I am locked into a fixed rate. And so it's really future-proofing my utility bill. Our energy is already green. But what I am doing is I'm controlling my costs for the next 20 to 30 years. And that to me is important.